Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Podocasts. Before I start drilling down today, and we are discussing Polymath on this one, just want to take a moment to thank all of our new subscribers. You guys are the reason we do this, as well as thank all of our OGs. You guys are the reason we continue to do this. It has always been our intention to branch way out in what we discuss. We're AMP through and through. We won't forget what got us here or what our subscribers really want to see from us. But there are so many additional opportunities for those who are looking to diversify. We would be very remiss in our duties if we didn't take some time to mention them. Today is another one of those, and I am stoked about this one. You wouldn't think it, but I am fired up. And I apologize for the apparel, guys. I just got off from work. Thank you for indulging me. I am fired up about Polymath. Probably not for the reason you might think, but I am going on record now that I have been investing in this product, but this is not financial advice. I'll tell you flat out that this one is not going to be for everyone. It is a bit on the esoteric side of the spectrum, even for crypto. Not developer stuff, but financial stuff and legacy financial stuff, which is hard to understand if you're not in the field. So I will do my very best to stick to where I see the advantages of this one without getting too into the weeds. Polymath is another one of those companies that is using blockchain to solve problems. I love that. But they are solving problems in the legacy financial sector, and I really love that. Getting into it today right after this. Once again, going on record here, this is a really big picture overview of what this token can do, what it was built for, and the applications. I'm not really hammering the tokenomics of it. I just want to make the case for it a little bit and see if you guys want me to keep going. I am not a fan of beating dead horses, and if you guys don't like it, I will certainly carry on. But using blockchain for what it can be used for really revs my engine, and Polymath hits the gas. So what is it? It is an Ethereum token that aims to facilitate digital securities trading on the Polymath platform. On the Polymath platform, they're a landscape. By creating a compliance-focused standard, ST20, to issue and manage security tokens, Polymath seeks to tokenize and support the trading of traditional and new classes of assets. Now, that is straight off their website. What's it mean, and where do I see value in it? A couple of biggies. Polymath does more, but these few wickets are where I see it booming and where I see it in front of others that are doing a similar thing. One, it is bridging the gap between traditional trading and crypto trading. Security tokens are a relatively new asset class, and it makes new securities possible, namely through automation achievable with blockchain. Heavy reconciliation and manual compliance checks that make certain types of securities too difficult or expensive to manage in the traditional life cycle are all but eliminated. Frequent capital distribution, fractionalization, or aggregation can be offered to investors via security tokens. This is big for me. I love fractionalization. It spreads around the capital investments. You might like one, but not love one. You shouldn't have to go all in. With fractionalization, you don't have to. As crypto people, we don't really sweat something like that because we are doing a new kind of trading. But what if this new kind of trading can be brought to the legacy world for legacy assets? Polymath. Security tokens are digital representations of securities, debt, equity, real estate, etc., on a blockchain. Now, just like traditional securities, the tokens are subject to regulation and need to conform to strict compliance standards. It's a legacy world, man. You know what? What can you do? But here is where Polymath is really cool. They don't write the standard. They don't get the compliance. They don't do the drudgery. What they do is provide the platform that enables the trading of these security tokens. The creator of the specific security does the grunt work, and it is up to the creator to ensure that their token is compliant with the necessary regulations. What Polymath does is provide the avenue for them to create and trade. Every day, we see more and more legacy companies starting to dabble in crypto, but very few of them actually understands what it is or what it does. They hire a crypto guy and off he goes. They buy Bitcoin. You win. But these are just latching onto a speculative product and hoping for the best. What they really need is a path to trade their own products. Here is where I see it popping off. I know you want to hear this part. One of the most enticing things for me in the crypto space is the 24/7, 365 aspect of the market. It is a better way. It is the right way. Legacy security products that have been tokenized, guess what? They are now 24/7, 365. They exist in the traditional space, but they can trade at crypto speed. They can do it faster, they can do it cheaper, and they can do it safer. For the rub of it, and to get out of this one, because although I happen to really like it, I know my audience. Polymath is not a babe in the woods. They have been trading for a couple of years now, but with the very recent Coinbase listing, just now starting to get some real visibility. The legacy space is starting to invade the crypto space. More capital, more innovation. It's a very exciting time. Although it might seem like it's late on this one, I see it as still very early. They built a product before anyone wanted the product. Now, the legacy world is starting to warm up to the idea of blockchain, and Polymath is ready for them. I think the only thing that might be missing from this, the only thing, is if only they had a token that could collateralize these transactions while they process. If only something like that existed. Anyway, folks, look, this one, it's just a teaser. I wanted to see if I can get your minds engaged on this one just a bit. I see very big possibilities here, and this will not be the last time that you hear of this product. You're going to hear it again. Live streams throughout the week and always at 7 Central. That's it, guys. Cheers.